welcome to our channel. I am Neelam
I'm Vipra.
and today we have something to share.
So today we have done facial at home using the products which we have in our kitchen.
Yes, and this facial is very useful to the moms, housewives who cannot go to the parlor because of time, because of money. So you can do this facial at home in your home comfort, and also the ingredients will be available in your kitchen.
So let's get started.
Yes. Step would be cleansing your face. So we are using raw milk to cleanse the face because milk is very moisturizing. So it helps giving good moisturizer to your dry skin. And with the help of cotton balls, we will apply the raw milk onto your face. She has dipped the cotton ball into the milk and now she will show us how to apply it on her face. So like her, we need to clean our face with these cotton balls and raw milk. So we are using raw milk, we need not to use any cleansing milk or cleansing lotion which is available in the market. Raw milk is available in everyone's house. So now her face is clean and now she will wipe it out with the sponge and cold water. And yes, you need to wipe it with a clean towel like she is doing. Next step is exfoliation. For that we will require following ingredients. First is lemon. Because lemon has some acidic properties which helps us to lighten our skin. That is why lemon is required. Then we will require sugar. It will act as scrub. And third ingredient would be honey. So as this facial is for dry skin, so honey will act as a moisturizing agent. So that's the reason we will require these three ingredients to exfoliate our face. So now Vipra will show us how to do it. Okay, so take some sugar in a bowl, add some honey in it, and take a half lemon. Mix honey and sugar well, and with the help of half lemon, she will show us how to apply it on the face. Okay, so we need to rub the lemon on our face like she is showing us in circular motions, so that it will remove the dead skins from the face and you will feel fresh. So next step is massage. So to do massage we will require cream, that is malai. Then we will require vitamin E tablet. So you can buy it from any of medical stores. And also we will require some rose water. So as I told you before, this is homemade rose water. So let's mix it all to make a massage cream. So we will take some malai, that is cream, in one bowl, and one vitamin E capsule and few drops of rose water. Vitamin E tablet, and add it into the malai, that is cream, and then few drops of rose water. Malai act as a moisturizer for your dry skin. So let's get started. She will show us how to apply the massage cream. Now she has taken some cream on her hands and now she will show us how to apply it. We need to massage our face for good 15 to 20 minutes, and Vipra is showing us how to exactly do the massage. We need to do it in upward direction so that it tightens the skin, also above and below the lips and forehead. And don't forget the neck, and beside eyes we need to make number 8, so it will help us to relax. You should really try this. I am going to try it once Vipra is done. Okay, so after 20 minutes massage is over, we will wipe the face out. She is wiping it with the help of sponge and cold water. Now next step is steaming. So she is taking steam from this steamer. If you do not have steamer at home, you can boil the water, and you can take the steam from the steel vessel as well. So you need to take a steam for 5 minutes. You need to remove the blackheads from your nose and chin. So we are going to use this tool to remove them. So after steam, your pores are open, so it is easy to remove the blackheads. So now next step is applying face pack. So for face pack we will require curd. So this is curd we have taken. It is very good for your skin because it moisturizes your skin. And also we will require coffee powder, and third ingredient is coconut oil. We are using Parachute coconut oil, which is very famous in India. So have 2 spoons of coffee in the bowl of curd, and now mix it well, and then we will add some coconut oil. So in our every step like exfoliation, massage and face pack, we are using something which is moisturizing your skin, because this this facial is for dry skin. So now mix all 3 ingredients well, and then we will apply it on the face. Now, so she is using a makeup brush, and she will show us how to apply it. In every step you should not forget your neck, whether it is exfoliation, whether it is cleansing, massaging or a face pack. You should always treat your neck as like you treat your face. So now face pack is done, and let's keep it for 10 minutes. And also for your eyes we need rose water and cotton balls. So let's take few drops of rose water and dip a cotton ball in it. So we will require 2 cotton balls for our eyes, and put the cotton ball on your eyes like this, and relax for 10 minutes. And wipe your face with the face towel, dry it out, and after that we need to apply toner. So she is applying homemade toner, that is a rose water, which is homemade. It is very effective and it smells very nice, and you can look at the color how beautiful it is. So if you want to know how we have made it, please comment below so that we can make a video on it. So to apply toner, take a cotton ball, take a few drops of toner on it and apply it all over your face. When it is done, you need to apply a good moisturizer. We are using Neutrogena moisturizer. So she will apply it. Take a good amount of moisturizer and apply it properly to your face. And also when you are applying moisturizer, you should apply it towards the upward direction. And now we are done. So the facial is done, and you can see the difference in her face. So thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up because it means a lot to us.
And also subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.
Stay tuned. Bye.